Today we are making super soft sugar cookies. This is a 4-ingredient sugar cookies recipe made without eggs, baking powder or baking soda. So let's begin by taking 140 grams or 1 cup of softened butter, 130 grams of powdered sugar or 1 cup. Before starting the hand beater, mix the butter and sugar together. Now in a medium-low speed, start beating the butter and sugar mixture. You can use a hand whisk instead of a beater. Please note to use only softened butter. The butter should neither be too hard nor too soft. Once you start beating for a couple of minutes, your butter and sugar mixture will look something like this. We are not done yet. Scrape the bowl occasionally and continue to start beating until the butter mixture turns pale white and looks something like this. At the end, your butter and sugar mixture should look something like this, which is very soft, light and airy. This is a super important step, so give it your time while doing this. To this, add about 2 1/4 cup or 250 grams of maida. And the secret ingredient is 1/4 cup corn flour or 25 grams. This will help your sugar cookies hold together and not spread in the oven. Mix the wet and dry ingredients using a spatula. Once your mixture becomes coarse and sandy, touch the spatula and use your hands to bring together all the wet and dry ingredients. Now I am adding about 3 tablespoons of milk. Add milk only if you feel the mixture is too dry and you're unable to form a dough out of it. Now mix this well. Do not knead this, you just have to bring the ingredients together. Don't worry if there are cracks in the dough, it's alright. Now cover this using a cling wrap and let it set in the fridge for about an hour. This is a super important step so that the butter will get hardened and the cookies will not spread in the oven. Now to fill the center of the cookies, I am breaking some lollipops. You can use any sugar candies, gummy bears of your choice. Divide the cookie dough into half and place the remaining in the refrigerator. You do not have to knead it all at once. I have dusted some maida and rolled it for about half centimeter thickness. Brush off excess maida on both the sides. I am using 2 sizes of cookie cutter to make a cavity in between to fill the lollipop mixture to give it a stainless glass cookies effect. You can make about 25 to 30 cookies using this dough measurement. I have already preheated my oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. My baking mat was way too big for the oven, so I transferred it into a baking tray lined with 2 sheets of parchment paper. Bake this first at 170 degrees for 10 minutes. Now add the lollipop in between. Ensure that it is added only inside the cavity and not over the cookies. While you are adding the candy mixture, close your oven and let it heat for about 5 minutes. Now bake this again for about 7 to 10 minutes. If you do not want to add the candies in between, you can bake them at 170 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes and our delicious super soft eggless sugar cookies is ready to be served, and I will see you in my next video.